process to develop a website with iTechnolabs. Are you ready to bring your online presence to the internet? Here is the step-by-step process of developing a stunning website with iTechnolabs. Step 1. Conceptualization. Our team of creative minds gathers to brainstorm and sketch out ideas that align with your vision and goals. Step 2. Development. With cutting-edge technologies and meticulous coding, we ensure your website not only looks amazing but functions seamlessly across all devices. Step 3. Quality assurance. Quality testing is conducted to guarantee optimal performance, security, and responsiveness. Step 4. Client collaboration. We keep you in the loop throughout the process, making necessary adjustments based on your feedback. Your satisfaction is our top priority. Step 5. Launching. Here's where your website truly comes to life. We add those special touches, captivating animations, refined graphics, and a user experience that leaves a lasting impression. Let's build your digital footprint together. Contact us today to embark on a remarkable website development experience. iTechnolabs, where ideas take shape.